Hey everyone. Today, we're diving into something that is a total game changer for every real estate professional out there, using AI, specifically ChatGPT, to tackle one of the most time-consuming parts of your job, writing amazing property listings. Let's get right into it.
Sound familiar? You're staring at a blank page, trying to summon the perfect words to describe a new property, and you just know it's going to eat up way too much of your valuable time.
Well, good news. The days of wrestling with those descriptions, they're over. There is a much faster, way more efficient, and honestly a more effective way to get this done. Let's be real for a second. This is a huge pain point in the industry, right? Many agents either pour hours into crafting the perfect listing, or they fall back on those boring cookie-cutter descriptions that all start to sound the same. Neither of those is great for business.
Yeah, the difference is just night and day. The old way is slow. It's a grind, and you often end up with listings that just don't pop. But the AI-assisted way, it completely flips the script. We're talking about taking hours of work and shrinking it down to minutes. And you're not just saving time, you're creating descriptions that are tailored, super appealing, and designed to grab the attention of the right buyers.
Okay, so the magic tool here is ChatGPT. But, and this is a really big but, it's not a mind reader. It's a powerful assistant for sure, but it's only going to give you great results if you know how to give it great instructions. And that's exactly what we're going to break down right now. It all comes down to 3 simple but super powerful steps. First, you've got to gather your details. Second, you craft the perfect prompt. And third, you refine the output. If you can nail these 3, you are going to be light years ahead of the competition.
All right, let's jump right into step 1, gathering your key ingredients. Look, you can't expect the AI to write some brilliant description out of thin air, right? The quality of what you get out is 100% tied to the quality of the info you put in.
So before you even think about writing a prompt, you need this stuff ready to go. Yeah, the basics. Property type, bed and bath count, location, square footage. But you've got to go deeper. What are the standout features? Any recent upgrades? What are the cool attractions nearby? This is the raw material for a killer listing.
Now for step 2. And honestly, this is the most crucial part of this entire process, crafting the perfect prompt. This is where you tell the AI exactly what you need it to do.
Let's break this down. A great prompt starts with a really clear command. Write a professional real estate listing description. Then it plugs in all those key details we just gathered. It highlights the standout features. And this part is so important, it specifies the tone you're aiming for, warm, professional, and appealing. This is how you steer the AI to write what you want.
So ChatGPT gives you this beautiful paragraph. You're done, right? Not so fast. This brings us to step 3. The final and absolutely essential step. You have to refine the output. This is where your expertise as an agent really comes in.
I'm serious. Before you even think about copying that text, wait, the single biggest mistake people make with this technology is treating it like a vending machine, where you just take whatever it gives you.
The lesson here is simple. Don't just copy and paste. Do edit, personalize, and perfect the text. The AI gives you a fantastic first draft, but you are the expert who turns it into a final masterpiece.
And why is this so critical? Well, you need to make sure it sounds natural, like you wrote it. You have to double-check that every detail perfectly matches the actual property. This is your chance to add your own unique voice and those little details the AI would never know. And, just as important, you need to cut anything that sounds too generic or cliché. Now, once you've mastered this 3-step process, you can start having some real fun with it. This tool is incredibly versatile, and you can ask it to write in all sorts of different styles. For example, you can tell it to adopt a luxury tone for a high-end property, or ask for a cozy, family-friendly tone for a house near a school. You can even specify an investor-focused tone that highlights ROI and rental potential. Need a quick, punchy version for Instagram? Just ask it to generate a short version for social media. The possibilities are pretty much endless. If you take one thing away from this, let it be this. AI is your co-pilot. You are still the pilot. It's a powerful tool that you control, designed to assist your expertise, not replace it. You are always in the driver's seat.
And that leaves us with a final thought to chew on. AI is getting incredibly good at streamlining the words and the workflow. But it makes you think, what is that uniquely human element that it can't replace? What's the expertise, the nuance, and the connection that you, the agent, will always bring to the table? That's something worth thinking about.